allowing us to come here and give this presentation and capture the RF-5E story. I hope you've enjoyed it. We have a little video now that Ron had put together, and I'd like to show that now. So thank you.
This video is an old VHS that was done for the Paris Air Show. This does not have any sound, so I'm going to narrate it. This is the first flight of the RF-5E with Darrell Cornell, the Malaysia aircraft. And in this configuration, we had 3 windows without an IR line scanner door. Picture from the chase airplane. And this is the picture from the Learjet with the periscope down low altitude. And then the landing of the aircraft. This shows the window of the forward oblique and the pedostatic line sticking out. 2 latches to slide the nose forward. And then the KS-87 with the 1,000-foot film magazine. And the nice thing about this aircraft was everything was pretty much at shoulder height, arm height. You can see the prism in the window, and then these are the access doors on the side. 4 push-button latches to get to the film quickly, and then 4 latches on each magazine to remove it. And these magazines are all common with the RF-4C, so common inventory item. The 87 and the 56 flew in the RF-4C. And this is the magazine for the IR line scanner. That's the K56 magazine. The window glass was 3/4 of an inch thick, and it was made just like a lens. It was a very precision window. We had to make a rod that would hold the door open in a 60-knot wind and a hurricane. So it was a big, heavy steel, stainless steel rod. This is the pallet coming out. There's 4 bolts on each side holding the pallet in the aircraft. And all those white tie straps are just for flight test instrumentation, so wires to measure temperatures. Wouldn't be in the production aircraft. K56. And the IR line scanner. The IR line scanner was sensitive to 0.2 of a degree centigrade. A very, very sensitive system. Different coverages. So you could download the pallet 1, and you could have pallet 2 already all checked out in the lab, and roll that out, put it in place, and then bring the hoist up and lift it up into place. And then the IR line scanner door would come off, and you can see in the window. So having the K56 on both pallets, the pilot could either do high altitude, medium altitude, or low altitude. So. Say again?
How much did you weigh?
About 500 pounds.